Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a fast forward background video edit on CapCut PC. So I have like this video right here, and I'm just going to add in this video on top. Go to cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout, and I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, maybe like not that small, maybe like this small. Then select the video behind. Just go to speed and speed it up as much as you want. Maybe like not too fast. And you can also hopefully add in motion blur. I'm just going to add it because why not? But that should be it really. And the video on like the background should be fast forward, and you should walk like normally, I guess, like in normal speed. If it's not fast enough, just go back to speed and make it a little bit faster. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you think this video was helpful, that's what I meant, don't forget to click the thanks button above the description box down below. You can also add in motion blur, by the way, just to make it a little bit fun. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.